In today's video, we're just going to go over the chart of Google. Now, I did post this, I don't know if it was 3 or 4 days ago, where we basically had a setup that was a two-step pattern into cluster support anywhere between this 1196.02 to 1205.42 area. I didn't know if it was going to hold or not, but I did have some hopes for it because I ran the histogram, the timing histogram. Let's see if I can give you the, all right, show you the swings here, from this last high and projected downwards. And what it gave me as far as timing came in here. Okay, so this was calendar day projection timing for a possible low that came in at the same time that it was testing support. And then as far as, you know, the trading day cycles, which tend to be more accurate, they came in pretty much around the same time. So bottom line, you had time and price come together in Google. Now, typically, if it's going to play out as a two-step, you would look for a 1272 extension as the target. But you have to remember we don't always make targets, and what we're also going to look at is the resistance on the way up. That's going to come in with the area of the 618 retracement at that 1258 area. Just happens to overlap the 100% projection of this prior rally swing here. So bottom line, if we do rally up into this 20 or 1258 to 59 area, I'd want you to ratchet up stops if you did take a trade against this support. And if we push through it, then know that the odds increase, doesn't guarantee it, but it increases the odds for a continued rally towards the target. And remember, you know, now you have much more risk. When I first put out the chart, you know, if you took a trade against this low or against this support, it wasn't a ridiculous amount of risk. Right now, you don't want to be a buyer here and place your stops underneath there. So if you missed the first entry that I put out there, what you need to do is set up an intraday pullback where, you know, the risk is lower. That's something that, well, I'll go over those in my updates. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.